How to scale your business without losing quality. Scaling your business is a thrilling point in any entrepreneur's journey. It signals growth, progress, and new opportunities. But it also comes with its set of challenges, particularly the risk of losing the quality your customers value. Whether you're running a startup or an established enterprise gearing up for expansion, this tutorial will provide you with insights and strategies to scale confidently without compromising what makes your business special. Let's begin by understanding the importance of quality. As a business owner, quality is your promise to your customers. It's what differentiates you from competitors, earns customer trust, and establishes long-term loyalty. However, scaling can put tremendous pressure on your resources, team, and processes, leading to inconsistencies and errors if not managed carefully. Without proper planning, quality can quickly take a backseat to growth, potentially damaging your reputation. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to avoid this pitfall so you can grow sustainably while retaining the excellence your customers expect. Scaling is not just about increasing production or sales. It involves complex dynamics that, if not handled appropriately, can affect your operations. One key challenge is overextension, pushing your resources beyond their capacity. Another is the lack of standardized processes, which makes maintaining consistency a lot harder. Scaling also introduces higher operational demands, which your team may not be prepared for. But the good news? With the right strategies, you can anticipate and overcome these challenges. Let's dive into actionable steps that make sustainable scaling possible. Before you even think about scaling, it's time to go back to the basics. What is it that your business does exceptionally well? What are the unique selling points, USPs, of your product or service? Focus on refining and perfecting your core offerings. Understanding your strengths will ensure you remain consistent as you scale. For instance, if your business is known for exceptional customer service, you must ensure that service quality doesn't falter when demand increases. Conduct a thorough audit of your current processes. Identify inefficiencies or bottlenecks that could slow you down as you scale. Ask yourself, are our workflows as efficient as they could be? What can be automated or streamlined? Once identified, refine these processes. Document every step involved in producing your products or delivering your services. A well-documented system not only helps maintain consistency but also allows new team members to adapt quickly, ensuring smooth transitions during growth. As you scale, your existing tools and systems may no longer meet the demands of your growing business. Invest in scalable infrastructure such as customer relationship management, CRM, software, project management tools, and cloud-based platforms. These tools can help automate repetitive tasks and provide real-time insights into operational efficiency. For example, a business growing from 10 orders a day to 500 will need a more robust inventory management system to handle the increased load without errors. Preparing your infrastructure in advance can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. You can't improve what you don't measure. Define specific metrics that reflect your quality standards. These could be customer satisfaction scores, defect rates, delivery timelines, or employee performance benchmarks. Regular monitoring will help you identify areas where quality might be slipping. By addressing these issues early, you can maintain consistent performance even as your operations grow. Scaling your business is not just about processes and systems, it's also about people. A company culture that emphasizes quality ensures that employees at all levels uphold high standards. This culture starts with you as a leader. Lead by example. Communicate that quality is non-negotiable. When your team values quality, they'll carry that mindset into their work, ensuring consistency even during periods of rapid growth. The people you hire will be pivotal to your ability to scale effectively. Focus on recruiting individuals who share your values and commitment to quality. During the hiring process, look for candidates who exhibit attention to detail, strong problem-solving skills, and an alignment with your company's vision. Additionally, invest in onboarding programs that emphasize your quality standards. By setting clear expectations from the start, you'll prevent misunderstandings that could lead to inconsistencies. Scaling often means new roles, increased responsibilities, and heightened expectations. To prepare your team for these demands, invest in continuous training programs. Teach them how to handle larger workloads or more complex tasks without sacrificing quality. Empower your employees to take ownership of their work by giving them the authority to make decisions within set boundaries. When your team feels trusted and equipped, they are more likely to deliver consistent results. Customer feedback is one of the most valuable resources when scaling. Listen to your customers, they'll tell you what's working and what's not. Use their insights to refine your offerings and address any concerns early on. Set up systems to regularly collect feedback, whether through surveys, social media, or direct interactions. Not only does this help you maintain quality, but it also strengthens customer relationships by showing that their opinions matter to you. When implementing changes to scale your business, pilot testing is essential. Roll out improvements or new processes on a smaller scale first. Evaluate their impact, identify errors, and fine-tune your approach before applying it company-wide. This method minimizes risk and ensures that your capabilities align with quality control during the expansion. It's always better to catch challenges on a smaller scale than when they affect your entire operation. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of scaling too soon or too fast. Just because the opportunity is there doesn't mean you're ready. Evaluate your financial stability, customer demand, and operational preparedness before making the leap. Ask yourself key questions. Have we perfected our core processes? Are our systems scalable? Do we have the resources to meet increased demand? Timing is critical for sustainable growth. Overextension is one of the most common mistakes businesses make when scaling. Expanding too quickly or taking on too many projects can stretch your resources thin, leading to a drop in quality. Instead, scale in deliberate phases. Balance growth with available resources. This ensures you maintain your ability to deliver exceptional results even as your workload increases. If you're expanding to multiple locations or branches, it's essential to strike a balance between centralized control and local autonomy. Standardize essential processes while allowing local teams the flexibility to adapt to their unique market conditions. This approach ensures consistency and quality across locations without stifling innovation or responsiveness. Scaling a business requires constant monitoring. Leverage data to track KPIs, key performance indicators, related to both quality and operational efficiency. Tools like dashboards and analytics platforms can provide real-time insights, helping you identify and resolve issues before they escalate. By staying data-informed, you'll avoid blind spots and make better decisions as you grow. Some of the best lessons come from studying businesses that have already scaled successfully. Look at companies that expanded without losing their core value of quality. Examples include Starbucks, which maintained consistency in customer experience globally, and Zappos, known for its unwavering focus on customer service during rapid growth. Analyze what strategies worked for these companies and what challenges they faced. Adapt their approaches to suit your business needs. Scaling often brings opportunities to introduce new products or services. However, these innovations should not come at the expense of your foundational quality. Strike a balance by dedicating resources to innovation while maintaining your current standards. Test and iterate new offerings carefully before launching them to a broader audience. Growth is an ongoing process that requires constant evaluation. Schedule regular reviews to assess how well your scaling strategies are working. Are you meeting your quality metrics? Are there areas for improvement? Encourage your team to share their insights during these reviews. Their frontline perspective can uncover issues or opportunities that may not be visible at a higher level. Remember, not all growth is good growth. Expanding too quickly or chasing revenue at the expense of your core values can hurt your business in the long run. Stay grounded in your mission and vision. Prioritize sustainable growth that aligns with your business goals and maintains the trust you've built with your customers. Scaling a business is an exciting opportunity that requires careful thought and planning. By focusing on your strengths, optimizing processes, building a quality-driven culture, and leveraging the insights shared in this tutorial, you can scale confidently without sacrificing the excellence that sets your business apart. Quality isn't just a checkbox, it's the foundation of your reputation and success. With that mindset, your business can grow sustainably, thriving in both its operations and customer relationships. Now it's time to take these strategies and start building the future of your business. Let's scale smart, grow strategically, and keep quality at the forefront. You've got this. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.